This is a call dated April 22nd, 2022 from INTERLOCK's Customer Advocacy Department Supervisor Alex Killam. Today is Monday, April 25th, 2022. It's 1:51 p.m. and I'm calling my voicemail from INTERLOCK from Friday. I didn't get a chance to call them back before working hours. So let me see if I can record this.
Hi Richard, Alex here with INTERLOCK. Just following up, it looks like we had you all set up for your equipment swap for Tuesday at Adams at 9 o'clock. As long as the device is deemed faulty, we'll cover all costs associated with the swap. However, you'll have to organize getting your vehicle there via tow. As long as the device is deemed faulty, we'll credit you back accordingly for the cost associated with the tow. If you have any questions, please give us a call back at 877-777-5020. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.